How can you use psychology to improve your hotel services? I'm going to share how to unlock the secrets of guest satisfaction by diving into the psychology behind what makes service memorable. Hey there, amazing viewers. If you enjoy our episodes, don't just hover around. Dive deeper. Hit that subscribe button like it's the key to a treasure chest of hotel knowledge, and ring that bell like you're summoning the fun directly to your screen. Subscribe, ring, and let's keep your adventure rolling. Ever wonder what makes service truly memorable? It's more than just a smile and a handshake. In the hospitality industry, delivering excellent service can be the difference between a one-time guest and a loyal customer who keeps coming back. But what drives an emotional connection? Understanding the psychology behind great service can help independent hotel owners and operators create unforgettable guest experiences. In this episode, I'm going to look into the psychological elements that shape positive guest experiences, offering practical tips on how you can implement them in your own hotel. Are you ready to turn first-time visitors into lifelong advocates? All right, let's get into this. The power of personalization. People love to feel special, and personalization does exactly that. It's all about recognizing your guest as an individual, from remembering a guest's name to knowing their preferences. These little details go a long way in creating emotional bonds. For example, have you ever stayed at a hotel where the staff member not only greeted you by name, but also remembered how you liked your morning coffee? That's personalization in action. It taps into a psychological need we all have. The need to feel valued. When a guest feels like you've gone out of your way to tailor their experience, it sparks a positive emotional response that's hard to forget. So how can you do this in your hotel? Start small. Use your booking system to track guest preferences, whether it's a room type, dietary need, or even the kind of pillow they prefer. Then, deliver those preferences without being asked. It shows your guests that they're more than just a room number to you. The role of empathy in service. Empathy in service is what sets good hotels apart from great ones. It's the ability to understand and respond to a guest's feelings and needs, even before they voice them. Guests want to feel like they're being heard, especially when something goes wrong. Let's say a guest arrives after a long flight, looking exhausted. A staff member who offers a complimentary drink or an early check-in without being asked has shown empathy. You've not only solved the problem, but also acknowledged their feelings. This simple gesture speaks volumes and can turn a potentially stressful situation into a positive one. To make empathy part of your service culture, train your team to listen more than they speak. Encourage them to anticipate the needs based on non-verbal cues like body language or tone of voice. If your guests feel understood, they're more likely to forgive minor inconveniences and leave with a positive impression.
Picture this, your dream hotel, alive with the buzz of happy guests and a thriving business. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? But here's the truth. Great hotels don't just happen. They're built with a clear plan. I'm Gerry MacPherson, and in the Vision to Reality, your guide to opening a hotel, I'll show you how to turn your vision into a successful, guest-focused property. Want to learn more? Click the link now and take your first step toward making your dream a reality.
Reciprocity builds loyalty. Reciprocity is a powerful psychological principle that can help foster loyalty. Simply put, when someone does something nice for us, we feel compelled to return the favor. In a hotel setting, This could be something as small as offering a complimentary dessert or upgrading a room. Guests who feel like they've received something extra are more likely to become repeat customers. A guest who gets a free room upgrade may feel inclined to leave a positive review or recommend your hotel to their friends. The key here is that these gestures shouldn't feel transactional. They should feel like a genuine act of kindness. Try offering small, unexpected perks to your guests, especially those who have stayed with you multiple times. This creates an emotional connection and encourages reciprocity, which can lead to ultimate long-term loyalty. Social proof and the power of testimonials. People are social creatures, and we often look to others when making decisions. This is where social proof comes in. Guests are more likely to trust the experiences of previous visitors, whether through online reviews, testimonials, or even word-of-mouth recommendations. Have you ever booked a hotel based on glowing reviews only to be disappointed when your experience didn't match up? That is the danger of inconsistent service. On the flip side, consistently positive reviews can create a halo effect where guests come in with high expectations and leave just as satisfied. Encourage your happy guests to leave reviews or share their experiences on social media. Positive testimonials not only boost your reputation, but also act as powerful motivators for potential new guests. The environment plays a critical role in how guests perceive your hotel. Human psychology is deeply influenced by surroundings. Everything from lighting and music to the scent of the lobby can affect a guest's mood. Consider how you feel when you walk into a hotel with soft lighting, calming music, and a welcome scent. You probably feel relaxed and ready to unwind. Now think about a hotel with harsh fluorescent lighting, no music, and a stale smell. It's not exactly the kind of place you'd be excited to return to, right? Creating the right atmosphere doesn't have to break the bank. Simple touches like adjusting the lighting or playing soft background music and using pleasant scents in common areas can make a huge difference in the overall guest experience. The goal is to create an environment that invokes comfort and relaxation, encouraging your guests to stay longer and return in the future. Use problem solving as an opportunity. Mistakes happen. There's no avoiding it. But how you handle those mistakes can turn potential disaster into an opportunity for exceptional service. When something goes wrong, your response matters more than the problem itself. Imagine a guest who finds that their room isn't ready upon arrival. You could apologize and leave it at that, or you could take it as an opportunity to impress, offering a free drink while they wait, or upgrading their room at no extra cost shows that you're not just solving a problem, you're going above and beyond to make things right. Handling problems with grace and generosity creates lasting memories. These experiences often turn into stories that guests share with others, amplifying the positive impact of your service. Don't let your hotel lag behind. Jumpstart your success with our must-read report, Unlocking Hospitality Success, 25 Must-Know Insights for Independent Owners. It's your all-access pass to industry secrets and innovative strategies that can propel your hotel to the forefront. Don't wait. Grab your free PDF now and begin your ascent to hospitality excellence. You can find the link in the show notes. How do you make your service memorable? Is it personalization, empathy, or those little unexpected extras? Share your thoughts in the comments. At the end of the day, great service is about making your guests feel valued, understood, and appreciated. When you tap into the psychology of service, whether through personalization, empathy, or creating the right environment, you're not just offering a place to sleep. You're offering a place where guests feel welcomed and cared for. That's what keeps them coming back. So what's your next move? Try incorporating these psychological insights into your daily operations and watch your guests become loyal advocates. After all, making someone feel special is the best kind of marketing. Well, that's it for today's episode of Hotelier Help Cast. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and share with your friends. Keep those lobbies lively, the feedback flowing, and always, always remember, it's the little touches that make the big waves in hospitality. Checking out for now. Until next time, stay inspired.